The Yellow Brick Road. This video does not reflect the actual views of real people. These are actors playing a role to entertain audiences. No persons or animals were harmed in the making of this video. Gosh, I love YouTube and I love Google.
There's recently been another chemical attack in Syria. Bashar al-Assad is most likely the one responsible.
Assad has gassed his own people before, most notably in 2013 and 17.
All evidence points to Assad most likely conducted these attacks.
Even while winning the war, Assad continued to gas his own people.
The United States needs to retaliate to protect innocent lives.
Batman vs. Superman was the best movie ever.
During our investigation for crimes against humanity and war crimes, we collect some witness testimony that made to appear that some chemical weapons were used, in particular nervine gas. And what appeared on to our investigation that was used by the opponents, by the rebels, and we have no indication at all that the government, the authority of the Syrian government, have used chemical weapons.